If you are a trainee and wanted to secure your place for debut as a K-pop idol, you need to avoid this 15 things right now. There are 15 reasons why most K-pop trainee didn't get to be debuted. It might be hard to avoid this 15 problem because some of them are out of your control. But if you found out that you are in one of these problems, you have to avoid or solve it, or you might give up on your dream. The first reason that K-pop trainees don't get to debut is not matching with the company. This means that your style, personality, or image may not fit the company's vision or concept for their groups. For example, if you are a trainee at SM Entertainment, you may have to follow their strict rules and standards for appearance, behavior, and performance. SM Entertainment idols are about visual. For example, if your style is like a tomboy, you are only good at rapping, your dancing and attitude are too strong, you are not likely the ideal type of K-pop girl group in SM. Sometimes when K-pop trainees first enter the training program, they look the same. They don't know which style they are good at first until they have trained for many years. Like SM K-pop girl group that got debuted are always princess type. They are cute, beautiful, and their personalities are all very girly but futuristic or have a baby face or an unrealistic face form like a robot. So, if you don't meet their expectations or clash with their culture, you may not get a chance to debut with them. For this one, it doesn't mean that you are not talented, but it's just they don't want to ruin the concept of their company as a whole. So, you need to try at another company. If you already finished the training program at one company, you don't have to train at another company. You just have to audition or try to contact them and audition for any role in their upcoming project. For example, a Canadian K-pop star Somi first trained at JYP, but after 2018 she left due to creative differences. Later she debuted as a solo artist in YG. The second reason is not matching with the debut lineup. This means that your skills, charisma, or chemistry may not match well with the other members of the group that you are supposed to debut with. Usually, when a K-pop company creates a new group, it's not just a group but it's a project, and a lot of people work behind the scene to make this project successful. And the idols are like the cast actors. Sometimes they will choose a lot of trainees to train together, but at the end of the day only 4 to 7 best members only get to debut in that group. Because other trainees don't fit with any role of their concept, or they have 2 trainees who have the same style and role, so they have to eliminate one. The third reason is the company not valuing trainee equity. This means that your company may not treat you fairly or give you enough support as a trainee. For example, if you are not one of the top and interesting trainees, you may have to deal with poor management, lack of resources, or favoritism from the staff. If you don't get enough training, feedback, or opportunities from your company, you may not improve your skills or showcase your potential. They do this on purpose because sometimes they have to accept more trainees than they need because they don't know which one is the best or fit with their project yet. And when they find out that you are not the type of idol that they need, they will do all of that stuff on purpose to make you leave by yourself. Some K-pop trainees drop halfway through also because of this reason. I mean, why would you stay if you see no future in that company? So, if you meet this problem, you have to change company after ending the contract as a trainee. The fourth reason is lack of opportunities. This means that your company may not give you enough chances to show your talents or gain exposure as a trainee. For example, if you are a trainee at JYP Entertainment, you may have to wait for a long time before your company decides to debut a new group or launch a survival show. If you don't get enough stage time, media attention, or fan support as a trainee, you may not build your reputation or popularity. How frustrating is that? You work hard every day, but no one knows who you are or what you can do. You may feel like giving up or losing hope. The fifth reason is sudden concept changes. This means that your company may change their plans or direction for your group's debut at the last minute. For example, if you remember a new group at YG Entertainment that YG called the Next Trainee One, but they suddenly changed their plan to focus on a new type of girl group because the trainees might not meet their expectations as a global group. A few years later, they had a new project which was Blackpink. First, they called them Pink Punk with 8 members, then they cut it to 4. If you don't adjust well or suit the new concept as a trainee, you may not fit in with your group's image or sound. So being yourself is important, but matching their concept is much more important than that. You may have to change your style, personality, or skills to fit the new concept. You may feel confused or betrayed by your company. The sixth reason is scandals and conflicts. This means that your personal life or behavior may cause problems or controversies that affect your career as a trainee. For example, you may have to face accusations of cheating, voting manipulation, or bullying from the public or other participants. If you don't handle or resolve these issues well as a trainee, you may lose your credibility or reputation. Sometimes your old friends from high school may come out and accuse you of being a bully or a racist. It doesn't matter if it's true or not. If the public believes it, you will never be able to debut as an idol. The seventh reason is lack of money and giving up. This means that your financial situation or motivation may prevent you from continuing your training as a trainee. When it comes to finances, every company likes to keep it secret and doesn't want any trainee to spill the tea. But I asked some of the former K-pop trainees, and some of them who were not Korean had to pay for their own living expenses, travel costs, or visa fees while staying in Korea. If you don't have enough money or passion as a trainee, you may quit or terminate your contract. The 8th reason is regretting being a trainee. This means that you may have a change of heart and question your choice of pursuing a career as a trainee. For example, if you are a non-Korean K-pop trainee, you may have to give up your education, family time, or social life for your rigorous training schedule. If you no longer find joy or fulfillment in being a trainee, you may feel remorseful or abandon your dream. The 9th reason is you not respect your time. Time is very strict in K-pop company. You have to arrive on time, training on schedule that company need you to do. If the company found out that you didn't respect the time schedule as a K-pop trainee, you might put into a blacklist and they will never give you an opportunity to appear in a TV show or something. And if you have no show other than your training, that means you have no fan, no popularity before debuted, and that is a red flag for debuted lineup. The 10th reason is you disrespect other people like roommate or senior. K-pop idol known as the kindest heart person on earth, even they have to act it off. They have camera almost everywhere in your training dorm. They watch every activity of every trainee that train in their company, and if they found out that you don't respect other trainee or senior in the company, you are also put into the blacklist. They not kick you out, but they will never put you in any debuted lineup and wait until the contract end. The 11th reason is contract issues. This means that your legal agreement or relationship with your company may cause disputes or complications that affect your career as a trainee. You may have to deal with unfair terms. Even if it's so unfair, you have to agree with them and sign the contract. Otherwise, they will never put you in any debuted lineup, and you will never give any opportunity to show your talent. The solution to this is you have to change the company or staying there until you're famous and have enough power to recontract with your company. The 12th reason is missed expectations. This means that your reality or outcome of becoming a trainee may not match your initial vision or goal of becoming a trainee. A lot of K-pop fans like you think the world of K-pop are so high class and beautiful, but it's far from the true. The beautiful things that you see is only in front of camera, but in reality, it's evolved around business 90%. You will see the corruption and unfair treatments from one trainee to another. Some trainee cannot face this reality, so they drop out halfway. The 13th reason is cheating on your company. This means that your loyalty or honesty with your company may be questioned or betrayed by your actions or decisions as a trainee. You may have to face criticism, backlash, or consequences for leaving your company without permission, joining another company secretly, or violating your contract terms. If you don't respect or trust your company as a trainee, you may damage your relationship or reputation. The 14th reason is dating. This means that your romantic life or interest may interfere with your career or development as a trainee. You may have to face strict rules, restrictions, or punishments for dating someone while being a trainee. The 15th and final reason is training too hard until having a health issue. For example, when you first audition for the company, you lie about your health issue, but later if they found out that you have a big health issue or sickness that cannot cured easily, they will try to find the way to eliminate your contract. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you next time.